Welcome back to the channel, my fellow seekers of truth and wisdom. Today, we have a truly special video for you. It's all about recognizing the signs that you are a chosen one, destined for greatness. So, if you've ever felt like you're marching to the beat of a different drum, this one's for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our faithful family of wisdom nuggets. Let's dive in. You know, life chooses you, but it doesn't come with a manual. Instead, it provides you with clues, signs, and whispers. The first sign you might be a chosen one is that you're authentic. You can't pretend to be something you're not. Being dishonest feels wrong to you, and you can't connect with people who aren't genuine. Are you always craving something more in life? Do you refuse to settle for the ordinary? Well, that's another sign. While some are content with regular routines, you believe there's something bigger out there for you. You're taking the road less traveled, and that choice sets you apart. As a chosen one, you face challenges head-on. You understand that these difficulties serve a purpose. They make you stronger and wiser. Your experiences equip you to be a beacon for those who are lost or in pain. Every challenge you overcome paves the way for others. Ever since you were young, you've had a burning desire to seek the truth. You're not afraid to question the status quo. You believe in exploring the mysteries of existence, even if it means going against the grain. An unexamined life is not worth living, and you're here to uncover the deeper truths within and around you. Feeling like the black sheep in your family can be tough, but it's also a sign that you're meant for something bigger than just fitting in. Your uniqueness is your strength. When they go one way, you go the other, and that's because you're here to change the world, not conform to it. Despite being treated badly in the past, you choose kindness and goodness. You're a natural giver, always willing to help others. Your giving nature is a clear sign that you're someone special, chosen for a bigger purpose. Making others happy is part of who you are. Deep down, you have an inner knowing. It's like a gut feeling that you can't shake. You're here for something big, something that will make a difference in the world. You feel like an old soul, and you're not here to go along with the flow. Your calling won't go away. It's your guiding light. Sometimes, people may not like you, and that's okay. It's not about you. It's about their own issues. Your goodness and light may make some uncomfortable, but don't let anyone dim your light. Keep shining because you're here for a greater purpose, and the universe has your back. Unlike those who disrespect spiritual ideas, you deeply respect the powers of the universe or God. You see things that others might miss and understand that everything is unfolding according to a higher plan. You're a light worker, bringing light and love into the world. So, my friends, if you resonate with these signs we've discussed in this video, it's a sign from a higher power urging you to fulfill your mission on this earth. You're not alone. You're part of our faithful family of wisdom nuggets. Thank you for being here, and may you receive wonderful blessings on your journey of greatness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay true to yourself, stay authentic, and keep shining your light